Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to disable comments on your Instagram stories with 2 quick methods to turn off comments on Instagram stories. Let's get started. First, how to turn off comments on a specific story. Open the Instagram app and tap on the story that you've posted. In the bottom right corner, tap the 3 dots, and from the options, select Turn Off Commenting, and that's it. Comments are now disabled for that story. Now second method, if you want to disable comments for all your Instagram stories, here's how you do it. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Then tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the 3-line menu icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to the section How Others Can Interact with You, and tap on Comments. Once you're in the Story Comments section, you'll see 3 options: Everyone, People You Follow, and Off. To completely disable comments on your Instagram stories, simply select Off, and comments will be turned off for all your stories. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share and subscribe for more to the point video tutorials.